Hey everybody, I wanted to hop on really quick. I am so excited because I got some new Freedom Feet kits in the mail, so I can finally show you guys everything that comes in them. So first of all, aren't they beautiful? So they have this great little card in them that says, "Thank you for your service." Try and hold it up so you guys can see it. And they're wrapped beautifully. So they have this cute confetti to make it fun for everybody to receive it. And here is everything that comes in it. And these steps are numbered, which makes it super easy to use for everybody. So first of all, it has the herbal foot soak, which is a combination of Epsom salts and some essential oils, which are very soothing and relaxing to sore, tired feet and muscles. They really help to rejuvenate anyone that uses this after a long day, but especially those that have been in combat boots all day. So this is a great first step in our Freedom Feet kit. Step 2 is our walnut foot scrub, which features walnut hulls and some other essential oils to help rejuvenate and relax tired, dull feet. It also helps to exfoliate dry, dead skin and really give their feet that nice, smooth softness that people tend to be missing this time of year. If you are also experiencing dry skin on your feet, this is a great way to exfoliate that and just relax your feet and help soothe those sore muscles. And then step 3 is our peppermint foot balm, which is again full of essential oils that are helpful at improving circulation. It's really beneficial to giving you that nice, relaxing rejuvenation after a long day of standing or walking or wearing combat boots. So again, if you would like to help with the Freedom Feet fundraiser that is happening now, this is what you will be donating to those recipients. So for $28, you can specify who you would like that to be sent to. It can go anywhere in the United States or anywhere with an APO address. So again, US addresses. If you would like to contribute to any service member that's currently deployed, it's only $24, and I'm happy to have that sent on your behalf. These ship for free, guys. So your entire amount that you're contributing is going to purchase these kits for our deployed service members or their families. And then, of course, if you would like to just donate, I can also accept donations to use towards kits. So thank you again so much for joining me and helping to contribute to this Freedom Feet fundraiser and helping to make it such a success. My goal again is 125 kits donated. I think we're right around 10 kits now. So please share this, even if you cannot donate at this time, but you know somebody that would love to help. Please feel free to share this and let them know that there are 3 different ways that they can help by either donating a $24 kit, a $28 kit for someone special, or a donation of any amount. So again, thank you so much for your help and support in this fundraiser. And I appreciate you guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.